So you're going to have A is 1. So you're going to have 1 squared times 3, and then plus a negative 2 times the quantity 3 minus 1. Close the quantity, square it. This is 3. This is 2. Squared is 4 times a negative 2 is negative 8. So it comes out to be a negative 5. Everybody had that? It's 81. Answer to this is 22.5. Pick a number from 1 to 5. The winning number today is 5. Bring me your homework. All 4 of you had homework of some form, so participation is still 100%. Here are the answers. Number 1 is 1314. 2 is 870.75. 3 is 3780. 4 is 584.25. 5 is 2587.25. 6 is 6.67.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Number 7 is 8.03.
Okay, so if I finish the last 2, I would have got all the points.
Yep. Number 8 is 12.5. 9 is 12.13.
Hold on, I'll do the last one here. Yep.
10 is 12.75. Jack earns his regular pay of $15.25 per hour for up to 40 hours of work in a week. For each hour over 40 hours of work in a week, Jack is paid 1.75 times his regular pay. How much does Jack earn for a week in which he works 82 hours? Alright, we had 2 answers that are the same and then 2 that are different from each other. So here it is. If he earns $15.25 in a week, you got to multiply that by 40. What do you get for that? 610. Alright. And then for overtime, he's paid 1.7 times his, or 1.75 times his regular pay. So 15.25 times 1.75 is what?
26.6875.
26.6875?
Yep.
All right. You have to multiply this by the number of hours over 40. So he's worked 42 hours of overtime. And what do you get for that multiplication?
1,120.
1,120.
Is that what it was? 0.875.
0.875. All right, so then you add it to this one. So if you add it to that one, you're going to come up with 1,730.875. But it's money. So you have to round it to 2 places. This is 5 or higher, so we end up with 1730.88. Same type of problem this time. The regular pay is $16 an hour. And for overtime, he's paid 1.5 times his pay. And in this week, he's going to work 59 hours. Jack earns his regular pay of $16 per hour for 40 hours. So you have to multiply 40 times 16 to come up with $640. And you multiply his hourly rate by the 1.5 times. So 16 times 1.5 is going to be 24. Did you guys get 24 for that? All right. So now you have to multiply the 24 by the number of hours over 40. So he's worked 19 hours over 40. And that would be 480 minus, let's see, I'm trying to do it in my head, but I'm better off just multiplying on the calculator. I have to turn it on first. There we go. 456. So then you're going to have to add 640 and 456 to come up with $1,096. Discount tickets to a basketball tournament sell for $10 each. Sarah spent $250 on discount tickets, which is $150 less than if she had bought the tickets at the regular price. What was the regular ticket price? Alright, so she bought discount tickets for $10 and she spent $250 on those discount tickets. So to find out how many tickets she bought, you divide 250 by 10. And when you do that, you come out with 25. So she's bought 25 tickets at a discounted price. Now this money that she spent here, the 250, is 150 less than what they would have been at the regular price. So you have to add 250 and 150 to come up with 400. She would have had to have spent $400 total if they were not at a discount price. So, to find out what the regular ticket price was, we know she bought 25 tickets. So divide 400 by 25 and come out with 16. Discount tickets to a basketball tournament sell for $15 each. Sarah spent $165 on discount tickets, which is $135 less than if she had bought the tickets at the regular price. What was the regular ticket price? Everybody had the right answer. It was $27.27. Everybody had the right answer, which is $3,560. Marlin bowled games of 240, 300, 150, 175, and 205. What must his sixth game be to keep that same average? Alright, so we have to do 240, 300, 150, 175, and 205. Add those up. So that's 540 from those. And that would be 325 plus a 205. That's 865. And 205 is going to give us a 1070. We have to divide that by 5. So 5 into 10 twice with nothing left over. If you drop down the 7, you'll have a 1. And you'll have 2 left over, so it's going to be 214. That's the average of those 5 scores. If A equals -2, B equals 4, and C equals -7, then evaluate A minus B plus C times C minus A plus B. Everybody had this one. The answer is 13.